are making stuffed cheesy garlic pav, and it's a perfect party starter and can be easily made in approximately half an hour. But before starting the recipe, welcome back to my channel Pinch of Everything, and please do subscribe, like and share this video. Now let's start the recipe. First we need to prepare the stuffing. So let's make stuffing for it. We are going to heat up a pan and then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Next goes in garlic. If you don't eat garlic, you can skip it. It's completely fine. Now we are going to add all veggies at once. We have used all 3 capsicum, green, yellow, red to give it a nice color. And lastly, we will going to add boiled corns, and you can add more veggies if you want. Let these vegetables cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until they are slightly tender, but it should still remain its crunch. This recipe is perfect for evening snacks and brings together a few ideas from Oriental or Indian cuisine to give it a snack that is unforgettable. And do try this recipe at home, and please do share your feedback with us, and you can share your recipe photos with us on Instagram also. Lastly, add some chili flakes, oregano and sprinkle it with some salt and pepper over it. Adjust the flavors as per your liking and mix it all together, and our garlic pav stuffing is ready now. Let's start making cheese pav buns. Place 4 pav on a plate. I have taken the atta pav. It's easily available in the market. With the help of a sharp knife, make horizontal and vertical slits on it. Make sure you do not cut the pav completely. While buying the pavs from the market, make sure the pavs are joined together as it makes the preparation easier. Now start adding the prepared stuffing into each slit using spoon or with the help of your hand. Now add cheese over the stuffing on each pav slit. You can use any cheese which is easily available with you. We are making stuffed pav in an air fryer, so we have preheated the air fryer for 10 minutes on 180 degree. Then we are going to cook it for around 10 minutes or till cheese melts. And if you are using oven, then you can cook it on grill mode. And now finally brush butter all around the pav before adding to the air fryer. Apply little butter on the basket so that our pav will bake from the bottom and turns crispy and crunchy. Be very careful while putting the pav because the air fryer is hot. Wow, these looks perfectly baked. They look absolutely good and they would be tasting absolutely perfect. So we are going to just serve them now with all the veggies inside. It's absolutely perfect for your little ones. It turned out totally awesome. So make sure you'll try this and let me know in the comment section, and you can also tag us on Instagram Pinch of Everything Official. And thank you for watching this recipe, and I hope to share some more interesting videos with you super soon. Thank you and bye bye.